You may have heard that it is possible to use the Shigandang to defeat the Stone Vanguard. Well, this is true, and I will explain exactly how to do this in this video. If you find yourself having trouble with the Stone Vanguard, it is possible to get some assistance from the Shigandang in an unexpected way. If you haven't yet defeated the Stone Vanguard on your own, but have found all 6 Buddha eyeballs, you can actually summon the Shigandang before engaging the Stone Vanguard. When summoned early, he will arise and immediately fight with the Stone Vanguard. The good news is he's a lot tougher than the Stone Vanguard and will perform a flashy finisher to tear the other rock guai to pieces, giving you all the rewards. Of course, after defeating the Stone Vanguard, the Shigandang will immediately turn on you, and it might be too tough to fight early if you were having problems defeating the Vanguard on your own. Well, that's how to defeat the Stone Vanguard with the Shigandang. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and thanks for watching.